It's Annie and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to share my skincare, some of my skincare that I have. This is probably going to be a two-parter, hopefully not three-parter. I'm going to try to get it down in two parts, okay? So I'm going to share the skincare that I currently use. But I'm going to put a disclaimer here and I'm going to put it in the other video as well. I'm not an expert. I'm not an esthetician. I am not a dermatologist. I am just a consumer. I am no longer on my channel going to tell you how to use it or when to use it. I'm just not going to do that anymore because too many people have too many opinions on it. I just know what works for me and I'm going to do it the way I do it. That's what I'm going to do. So moving forward, whenever I try new things, I just shared a video because I think this is going to be out after. Whenever I get new products in, skincare that I'm going to test, I may share it with you first and let you know that I'm trying it. And then I will update you guys later. Do I still like using it? Am I enjoying it? That kind of a thing. All right. But I don't want to go through and say, this is my morning routine, this is my nighttime routine, because again, everybody has a different opinion in it. I just know what works for me, number one. Number two, I'm always testing new products out and I like to give it time. So then it's always changing and then I'm constantly like sharing that, okay? I have a lot of skincare. Like this is packed full of skincare. And let me tell you this right now. You don't have to get tons of skincare. I have a channel. I test different things. I enjoy skincare, so I do. But I've said this before and I will say it again. If I had to get rid of all of my skincare, I would just use Truth Treatments because I really believe in it. All right? So what you want to make sure that you are doing in the morning, you want to make sure you're cleansing your skin. If you have really dry skin, there are cleansers that are not going to strip your skin of any oils. Look for one, okay? And then you want to make sure that you are protecting your skin from the sun. You want to make sure you're doing that. You want to make sure that you're moisturizing. I really feel like it's important to use a vitamin C in the morning. That's what I think. And then as far as the evening, again, you want to make sure that you're cleansing your face. I would recommend using a retinol at nighttime and a moisturizer. That's what I recommend. But I'm not going to tell you an order. I'm just not going to do that on my channel anymore. I'm just not going to do it. If you want to see any of my other videos, I've shared videos over the years of skincare, and if you want to watch those, I'm going to leave them up, but I'm just not going to create any more videos like that moving forward. This is just the way I'm going to do it. Okay? Okay. This isn't even, this is morning stuff. I'm just sharing with you guys what I have. And I think there's actually some other things that they didn't bring that if I remember, I will mention them. Okay? Because I have a lot. And again, you don't need to have this much. Just what I have. I'd let you guys know, like, see, here's the thing too. If you get too much skincare, you got to hurry up and use it up because it only lasts so long. Okay? If you don't use it up, then you got to throw it out. Like I said, skincare doesn't last that long. You got to use it up. So keep that in mind. Okay. This is on the top here. This is from Chanel. This is their eye makeup remover. I really like this, but I feel like it dries my skin on my eyes. So I don't think it's something I would, repurchase, but it's a really good one. So if you don't have any dry lids or anything like that, you may really like this one, but yeah, I probably won't repurchase this, but I do have it and I'm probably going to use it up. I'm just using some other stuff in between. This I love. This was gifted to me from Paula's Choice and I want to buy one when I'm done. Now I already have a cleansing balm that I really, really like, so I don't need to have two. But I really like this one. I really, really do. So this is from Paula's Choice. This is the Omega Complex Cleansing Balm. Oh my gosh, I love it. It's fabulous. It really is. I like that it comes in a tube. Collins, you have to stick your finger in there and whatever. I really like this. My face doesn't feel greasy or anything when I rinse my skin off. So if you are somebody that you don't like, because some people have told me that Colleen Rothschild's dries her skin out, which I don't know, that I definitely would recommend this, and there's no fragrance in it. So if you're someone that doesn't like fragrance or you can't use fragrance and you're looking for a cleansing balm, definitely would recommend this. I think it's fabulous. So this is from Wild Rose Beauty. This is called Wild Rose Beauty Balm One Pot Wonder. So you can use this as a mask, you know, like a treatment, and then rinse it off. You can leave it on all night long and sleep with it. It smells amazing. But I need to use this up. I need to start using it. Because anything like this, when you open it, especially when it's a clean product, it does not last long. So I should probably put that on tonight. But I love it. I love it. I love it. I don't have really dry skin, but I don't think you necessarily have really dry skin to use it. I just wanted to test it out, and I do really like it. I definitely would recommend it. Again, this is something that I would use at night. I wouldn't use this during the day unless I did a mask and then I took it off. So you can put it on and then you can, leave it on for a while, and then you can rinse off and kind of do a mask during the day if you want to, or sleep with it. So I do like it, but I wouldn't have it under my makeup. This is another cleanse that I really, really like. This is nice to have along with this, especially if you are, with you have sunscreen on and you're trying to get that sunscreen off at the end of the day. This is another really good one. It's also nice to use in the morning too. It's a nice morning one. I don't know if this would, I think I'd still prefer a balm to getting makeup off, but like say maybe you had a day where you just had sunscreen on. I think this would work really, really good. This is from Kate Somerville. This is her goat milk cleanser. I still have a little bit left. I really, really enjoy using this. I definitely would recommend. I love that. Some of these are probably going to see my empties again too, but I'm just showing you what I have in my cabinet, which is a lot. This is the Kate Somerville goat milk moisturizer. I do really like this. It's a very lightweight moisturizer. You can use this at night. You can use it in the morning. It's just very light. It really blends into your skin. I really like that. I don't know if it's one I would repurchase though. It's not one I need to use this up. It's not one that I would use all the time, but I like it. I would recommend it. Don't think I would repurchase it. But just because I wouldn't repurchase it doesn't mean it's not good. It's just I have other ones that I really enjoy using more, so I don't think I would repurchase that, but I do like it. This stuff I freaking love. It lasted me a long time. I still have some left. I got to make sure that I keep it like this, but I wanted to show you what the container looks like. This is from Is Clinical. There we go. It's the Cleansing Complex. Freaking love this stuff. So this is really good if you have oily skin or if you're prone to any breakouts or anything. This is really nice. So like I have this little friend here. So like when I see a breakout, I don't use this all the time, okay? But maybe I don't know, once or twice a week I'll do it. And especially if I see breakouts, I will pull this out and I will use it. You only need a little bit, this bottle will go a long, long way. I've had this at least a year and I'm still getting product out. And I just bought a backup because I didn't want to run out of it. So really love that, definitely recommend. But that's when I would use that cleanser. That would be a morning cleanser for me. This is a morning cleanser for me, okay? Balms are more for at nighttime. These are from Truth Treatments. One is the Hyaluronic Honey Cleanser, and the other one is the Peppermint Salicylic. Oh my God. Oh, it smells so good. Now, the one thing I will say about peppermint, be careful. I usually splash my face off, but you gotta be careful doing that with this because there's peppermints. You probably want to take a cloth and do that instead of doing what I'm doing, okay? And this one just, oh my God, it smells like lemon cake or something. It just smells so good. I love it, but I hate the packaging. The packaging on this sucks. I enjoy them. I like them. Those would be morning cleansers. And you only need to have one cleanser in the morning. I'm just showing you what I have, okay? So just keep that in mind. This is why I can't do a morning and nighttime. How can I do that when I got all this stuff? You know what I mean? This is the stuff that I'm using up. I do not like it. I paid for it. I'm freaking using it, okay? So this is the Glow Recipe PHA and BHA, right? PHA and BHA Pore Tight Toner. I don't like it. I would not recommend it. I think there's better products out there, but I'm using it up. There was a lot of hype on all that, so I decided to try it, and no. This is the Kate Somerville Align Release. I love this. The last one I bought lasted 6 months. I'm not using this one right now. I have some other ones that I'm testing out, so I kind of put this one aside right now. But I already bought a backup, so I have it. The good thing about this is it's sealed really, really good. I like that it shows you when it's going to run out, so I should have this one for a while. It has peptides in it. I really, really do like it. And remember, whenever you're putting a product under your eyes, you just need the tiniest amount, okay? The Pixie Glow Tonic. Ooh, I think I gotta get rid of this one. That one looks kind of bad. Huh, so I'm gonna get rid of this. I don't know why it went bad. See how it looks? This is what I'm saying. Once you open up products, you have to use them within a certain time. If you don't, you just have to get rid of it. It should not be cloudy like that. So if your skincare looks like that, get rid of it. I'm going to throw this out. I just got a new product that I'm testing. This one right here. This is the Good Molecules Glycolic Exfoliating Toner. Actually has salicylic acid in it. Has a lot of different things. It's not just a glycolic, but I'm testing this one right now. Are you going to focus? Yeah. So that's part of my skincare too right now. So I'm going to throw this out because that looks really... This has been a repurchase for me though. I've been using this for years. But I'm going to tell you this. Even though I'm not going through my whole routine, I listen to my skin. I pay attention. I don't use an acid every day. I'm testing that one out, but I don't use acids every day. Because I'm using my retinol at night. I just feel like... This is what happened to me. I overused stuff and my skin was getting really, really dry and not looking nice. So you have to be careful. Don't overdo it. I was overdoing it. So I'm going to say I don't do that anymore. Some of these things I'm probably not going to repurchase because I don't feel like I need it. This is the Bifacial eye makeup remover. I love it. See how it's like that? You shake it up, you go like this. Love it. And it looks like it'd be oily. It isn't. Do not buy this. This is crap. This one is the facial. This one sucks. This one, all it will do is move product on your eyes. I'm keeping it because I paid for it and I'm going to frickin' use it. If I have to just take my, I don't even know what off because it just sucks. But anyways, I wouldn't get that, okay? This stuff I love. This will last you a while. This isn't something I use all the time, okay? It does have that bad, nasty alcohol in it, okay? But I use it when I get a blemish or breakout, like I've been using it on here, okay? And it is the Is Clinical Active Serum. This is what it looks like, okay? This will last you a while, all right? And it's just a little dropper. You just use a little bit. And that's what I use it for. I just use it for when I get breakouts. It's not something I'd be using all the time, putting on my face. No, because there's way too much alcohol in it. But for me, when I have to use it, I really like it. So I'm glad that I have that. But it's not something I use daily. The Paula's Choice Exfoliate. I love this. Again, it's the 2% BHA liquid. This is great. This is one of those that I probably will keep using. I just ordered another one from the sale. My daughter uses it too, so I can always pass stuff to her. But this is really, really, really good. I really like that. So it just will help with your pores and shrink your pores, keep your pores from getting blocked up. Love it. Definitely would recommend. Love that. This stuff was gifted to me, and it is going to go in the trash because it smells like stinky, nasty feet. I've used it for as much as I'm going to use it. I'm not going to use it anymore because I can't. I wanted to try to use the whole tube, but it just seems like it's just taking forever. Oh my God. It smells like smelly ass feet. Okay. This is the reason they put fragrance in skincare. So that's what you get. You either get nasty, stinky ass stuff like this, or you have them trying to hide it with something that smells better. I know not everybody can have fragrance in their skincare because it's irritating, but for me, I like to have fragrance because this is nasty, okay? This is from Paula's Choice. It's the 25% AHA, 2% BHA exfoliating peel rinse off treatment. This is something you would use once a week, but I would not recommend it because it smells like feet. I'm not even kidding you. It's just so gross. Ugh. I love using hydrating waters. You can use them throughout the day if you have dry skin. I don't use it throughout the day, but I will use it as a part of my skincare routine, okay? And the one that I really love is this one. This one's from Amorvica. It's the Hungry Mist. I can't read it anymore because the writing came off it. I have no idea why. But I love this, and the spray on it is so nice too. It smells amazing, full of really, really good ingredients. I love it and definitely recommend. I love it. This is from Chantecaille. This is the rose spray, and it is actually made from like roses, the oils from roses. It smells, oh my God, it smells wonderful. You know, I don't like the smell of fake roses. This smells amazing. I love it. I'm going to do one more. I'm going to do one more and then I'm going to do another video because otherwise it's going to get really long. So this is from Pestle and Mortar. I got this to test it out and I do really like it. This is the lactic acid. Lactic acid is really good too if you have drier skin. Lactic acid is actually hydrating. I know it sounds kind of crazy, but this hydrates, brightens, and creates a glow. I like the packaging on it too, and I like that you can just pump it and get your product. I love that. But again, I don't think it's something I would repurchase. I just wanted to test it out. So that's where I'm going to leave this video. I'm going to do a part 2 to this so you can see the rest of it, because there's more. And I still have stuff sitting in there in my cabinet that I have to test out. So this is just some of it. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and let me know what are some of your must-have skincare for your morning routine. Let me know in the comments. Would love to hear from you, and I will see you guys all in my next video. Bye. All right, we have to do part 2. I get to finish my slip covers. I'm washing slip covers today. That's what I'm doing. Is that fun? Is that all my fun? Yeah. Water. I promise it's water. And this one is from, did this? Oh, felt like it was leaking. Hopefully it wasn't. And this is the